Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for new updates.
Tight on counter space but want multifunctionality? The Cuisinart Kitchen Central is a compact unit that does the job of a food processor, juice extractor, and blender. Change attachments by placing them on the base and turning the dial to the desired function. As an 8-cup food processor, you can mix, chop, puree, shred, and slice with ease. The versatile blade is great for mixing and chopping, and acts as a dough blade to make homemade pizza dough in minutes. The fine and medium reversible shredding and slicing discs make prep tasks effortless, as the Kitchen Central does all the work. Create delicious sauces, dips, and breads for every occasion. The 40-ounce blender jar covers the full range of blending tasks, from creamy smoothies to delicious pureed soups and even desserts. If you want to incorporate additional ingredients without interrupting the process, just lift the pour lid insert. With the juice extractor, effortlessly turn fruits and vegetables into delicious and healthful juices. Fresh fruits and vegetables retain 95% of their nutrients during juicing for easy absorption and digestion. The juice bowl has a drip-free start and stop pour spout, which lets you dispense directly into a glass or container for ease and convenience. The 0.7-liter pulp tank will automatically capture strained pulp, which ensures the extracted juice is fresh, delicious, and ready to drink. From breakfast to dessert, all your meals are covered. All the removable parts are dishwasher safe for effortless and easy cleanup. Get creative in the kitchen with the Cuisinart Kitchen Central.
Save time and space with the Magimix food processor. It truly is the most versatile and invaluable addition to any kitchen. From starters to dessert, Magimix makes life simpler in the kitchen for everyone who's passionate. The powerful and efficient ultra-quiet induction motor is guaranteed for 30 years. All it takes is one button and the Magimix motor automatically adjusts the power depending on what's in the bowl. Magimix food processors come with 3 bowls: the Mini, Midi and Main. The Mini bowl is ideal for chopping, mixing and combining small quantities, from a delicious pesto sauce to the perfect 1-egg mayonnaise dip. The Midi bowl is perfect for slicing and grating all your fruit and vegetables. The extra-large feed tube allows slicing both length and widthways for creating perfectly uniform slices with ease. There's no limit to what you can do. Let your Magimix be your sous chef and process your ingredients in a fraction of the time. The Main bowl is for chopping, mixing and combining large quantities. The stainless steel Sabatier main blade crushes ice and chops the finest and toughest of ingredients all to a professional standard. Together with the patented Blender Mix ring, you can blend the finest soups and sauces, airiest pancake batters and smoothest smoothies. Homemade deliciously golden pizza bases and moorishly flavoursome pie crusts are at your fingertips at the touch of a button. Knead pasta, pastry, brioche and bread dough all in a matter of minutes with the dough blade. And with its dynamic kneading technique, it ensures a professional quality, giving you unbeatable results every time. And finally, with the egg whisk, you can create the fluffiest egg whites, puffiest soufflés and showstopper pavlovas with ease. Built better to last longer, its bowls are truly shatterproof. All parts and accessories are made in France and they're dishwasher safe. From starters to dessert, a Magimix food processor makes life simpler in the kitchen for everyone who's passionate about making good food.
We all know the benefits that come from eating a healthy, balanced diet, but sometimes that's not always easy. Until now. This is NutriBullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The NutriBullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber. berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the NutriBullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients, creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is NutriBullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the NutriBullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle, whatever your age. The NutriBullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and the 18-ounce cup, ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The NutriBullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. NutriBullet, the original superfood nutrient extractor.